Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika aka Miss Magic, back with another hair video. Today I am going to do a wash and go. My hair is dirty and icky. It's actually in its silk press state. I'm a straight natural during the winter time in these cold Chicago streets. I wear my hair straight, I wear it silk press, but I'm actually natural. So I usually wear my hair straight from October to April, and then I wear it naturally curly from April to September. But I'm feeling froggy today and I want to go ahead and do a wash and go. Before we get started, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright, so yes, we're going to jump right on into it. I am going to do a wash and go. It has been a year since I've done a video with using Carefree Curl Activator. My hair has grown out. So you see this video. This is the video where I did the wash and go with the Carefree Curl Activator Juice. And it was like a montage of when I did have a Carefree Curl back in the 80s. That was a long time ago, I know, but I want to do it again now since my hair has grown out. This is the back of my hair. And like I said, this has been a year. And you know what? I always wanted to be that girl that could grab the back of her hair. Let's see if I can do it. I want to grab it. I don't know if you could, I got to zoom out or whatever. Let's zoom out. Okay, yeah, I'm going to grab the back of my hair. Can y'all see that? Oh, can I get it? Let's see. I can grab it. I can grab it. Yes, I had to pull my hair all the way back like that to grab it, but guess what? I couldn't do that a year ago, so I'm excited that I can do that. Don't judge me. Don't judge me though. But anywho, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and I'm going to wash, condition, deep condition, and put my leave-in in so I can get back to my curly state so we can start on the wash and go. Like I said, this is a silk press that is dirty. It still looks nice though. Still looks good. But anywho, it's dirty and it's ready to be washed. So I'll be right back when I'm washed, conditioned, deep condition, and have put leave-in in my hair. I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am back in my curly state. So I want to show you guys, this is like at least 6 inches of hair growth from when I did the Carefree Curl video a year ago. This is the Carefree Curl video. I'm going to show you the front and then I'm going to show you the back. My back shrinks up way more than my front, but as you can see that it definitely has grown out. Once we get into this video, I am going to share some tips on how I did do my length retention or what I feel like I did to retain my length. But let's get straight on into this wash and go because I'm excited to see how my hair looks with the Carefree Curl. And not only just being a wash and go, I haven't washed and go my hair in about six months, because even last summer I wasn't really wearing wash and goes. I was just wearing my hair in a ponytail. So last time I just used the regular Carefree Curl Activator on my hair. This time I'm going to go in with the Carefree Curl Light Gel Activator and we'll see how that does. And that is this one right here. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and section my hair in 4. Wow, I just cannot believe how much my hair has grown, but I'm loving it here. Alright, I'll be back. I'm going to section my hair in 4. But wait, I want to address some of these little straight pieces. So when you do wear your hair silk pressed like I do a lot, you are going to have some places where your curl has kind of lost its little memory and you know it's going to get a little straighter or whatever, but keeping it deep conditioned is one of the best ways, and that's one of the key ingredients on keeping your length retention. Keeping your hair deep conditioned and actually doing cholesterol treatments, which I haven't done, so I will start back doing my cholesterol treatments. They will make these little straight pieces snap back into place. This side of my hair, no matter what I do, it's definitely a different curl pattern. It's very loose over here, always has been since I've been natural, and I've been natural since 2012. So it does what it does. All right. Alright, so my hair has been sectioned into 4 and we're going to jump right on into it. I am going to be chasing it with this Extreme wet line because this alone is not going to hold the curls like they're supposed to. So we're going to spritz it with water, and then we're going to put our Carefree Curl Juice on, and then we are going to chase it with this Extreme wet line for hold. Simply just for hold. Alright, we're going to get started on this. Let's go ahead and section the first piece. Oh, and then I use my magic brush, which is not so much magic, but this is what I do to rake my curls. I don't separate them with my hand or do anything else. I just use this brush to separate all the way through. All right, we're gonna go ahead and spritz this with water. Get our Carefree Curl Magic. This is a little bit jellier, I want to say. Well, yeah, it's more jelly. It's clear. I'm gonna put the bleach that much on there. Go ahead and rake that through. And then I'm going to go ahead and top it off with the wet line. And then we're gonna use our brush. And basically that's what I'm going to do all the way through. And you see, little curls is coming in like such. Okay. This is going to be cute, I already know. Like I said, I haven't washed, basically went the whole summer wearing ponytails. I might have washed and go my hair maybe twice last summer. It just stayed in the ponytail. I got lazy to the mud, but that's okay. But we're gonna get right on into keeping how I retain all of my length and how I grew my hair 6 inches. So number 1 is keeping your ends clipped. That is the most important thing, is to keeping length retention, because if your hair is splitting, I don't care how long your hair grows from the top, if it's splitting on the ends, it's going to meet in the middle and you're not going to have any growth. It may seem like your hair isn't growing. It's definitely growing. It's just not retaining from the ends, because if the ends are splitting, it's going to constantly just break. As this grows out, this is going to break and it's going to meet in the middle and it's not going to be cute. So number 1, keep your ends clipped. I recommend clipping your ends from 6 to 8 weeks. If you are just natural, you can go 8 to 12 weeks, but get those ends clipped. And I do recommend blowing it out and even sometimes straightening it, just to clip the ends completely, to clip them so you can see where they need to be clipped. I know a lot of naturals don't want to straighten their hair at all, but sometimes it is necessary to keep your ends clipped and to keep your hair growing. So that's the number 1 tip. Number 2, as I stated before, keep your hair deep conditioned. And deep conditioning helps because it actually keeps your hair moisturized, which is very important. Your hair has to be moisturized so that it'll retain its elasticity, and in that way it will not get to the point where it'll start drying out and breaking. So you definitely want to keep your hair deep conditioned. That is number 2 of keeping your hair to hold moisture, to hold length retention, I should say. So yep, all right. Okay, all right. So number 3, what did I say? Number 3? No, that's it. That was number 2. Number 3 is non-manipulation. Try not to manipulate your hair. Manipulate your hair as least as you possibly can. That's the tip on my. Combs on the floor. When I say like protective styles, see, I don't do protective styles. I don't do braids. I don't do weave. I do weave, but I do like a wig. The only kind of weave I do is my little ponytails and my little half wiggy thing, headband wig. I don't know why I couldn't say that. My little headband wig. That's the only thing I do. But protective styles, as far as like braids and over manipulation, actually it does more harm than good, because it depends on who you have braid your hair. Sometimes they can braid it too tight, which is why a lot of people lose their edges. or it breaks, or they're braiding it up and then they go in. You see those people cutting the hair, or they done cut too much, or then when you take out your braids, you done cut your hair. So you have to be very careful with braids when you're using that as a protective style, because that can do more harm than good as well. Alright guys, so I have done the front, and I'm going to go ahead and finish up my whole head, and I'll come back when I have done the whole head. Alright guys, so this is me all juiced up with the Carefree Curl Juice and the wet line all on my head. This is the back. And I'm going to show you a picture of me with the, when I was all done last year, so you can definitely see the growth in my hair. What I'm going to do is probably diffuse it a little bit, just a little bit, and then sit on the dryer for about an hour, and then I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm all dry, and we're going to go ahead and do the final look. So I'll be back in about an hour. Alright guys, I am back, and my hair is fully dry all over. So this is how it looks when it fully dries. However, it is a bit too crunchy and a bit too jheri curl looking. So we are going to go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out, and I'm going to fluff it out with my pick, and I'll be back with the total final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It is pretty much giving I will last your butt more than 7 days, because I tried to pick it, I tried to manipulate it, I tried to lift it, and baby, the Carefree Curl and the wet line say this what you getting for day 1. You getting control, you getting no frizz, and that you just gonna have to deal with it, period. So this is the look. I do want it to be fluffier, frizzier, bigger, but however, if you try to do a wash and go, and you want your hair to last for 7 days, because you see, this first day. Second day is going to be better. Third day is going to be a little even more better. Fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, you're going to be like, oh, it's time to wash my hair again, because it's going to look perfect on the 7th day. But, I mean, it's giving me, look, bounce. It's giving me shine. Oh, we didn't even talk about the definition. Look at this definition. Look at the definition of my hair. It's ridiculous. Look at the back, and I'll show you my first Carefree Curl video when my hair was super short. I always said I did not like wearing my hair natural all over because of the back of my head and how it shrunk and it looked like a little afro. Look at that. Look at that. I'll do this. I'll do that. I will. I'm wearing my hair. I'm wearing my hair out. However, this is just February. It's still cold here. So I'm going to wear my hair out for a couple of days, and then I'll probably pin it up. But best believe when April 1st comes, I'm not going to have no problem wearing my whole head out. So I'm good to go. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. This is the final look. Would I have liked it a little bigger? Yes, but does it have curl, shine, definition? I did put a little oil on my hair. You can see. I put a little oil on my hair, but it didn't even need it. You can see the shine. You can see the definition. I mean, you can see what it's giving. It's giving everything. It's giving life. It's just gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. You like the video, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Thank you guys as always for watching. I appreciate you guys. I hope to see you in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.